Can everyone know what is hashtag Kabur Aja Dulu means? Yeah, Kabur Aja Dulu is a hashtag used to express the desire to leave Indonesia. This hashtag went viral on social media, especially on platform X in February 2025. Okay, I have some of the main driving factor behind this trend era. First is limited job opportunities. Limited job opportunities, there are jobs available but not enough for everyone. Many people struggle to find work because too much competition. Every year, many students graduate, but there are not enough jobs for all of them. Okay, the second is lack of job opportunities. In some cases, job opportunities are not just limited, they don't exist at all. Some reasons include mismatched skill. Many graduates don't have the skills that companies are looking for, so they can't find work. Okay, the third is wage gap or unfair salaries. Many people feel they are not paid fairly from their work. Some common problems include higher pay for the same job apart. For example, in Indonesia, when we become teachers, we will paid low wage. Whereas abroad, for the same job, we will be paid very high wage. Okay? And big gap between work and executive. The company top manager earn a lot of money, while lower level employee get very little. Okay, four is dissatisfaction with government policies. People feel that the government's decision do not support them. Some reason for this frustration are difficult business regulation. Small business struggle because of high taxes and complicated paperwork. Last is political disillusionment or disappointment with politics. Okay, next is the beginning of the hashtag Kabur Aja Dulu. The beginning of the hashtag Kabur Aja Dulu, government also recreate controversy released to Presidential Instruction number 1 of 2025 concern budget efficiency for the government's priority program of free nutrition meals, or in Indonesia we can say MBG or Makan Bergizi Gratis. Initially, this budget cut was intended to cut operational costs and office costs, but gradually this budget cut became increasingly irrational by cutting many state agencies and institutions, even educational institutions, legal aid, and infrastructure. Okay, next, Mas Haidar will be presentation about some of the factors hashtag Kabur Aja Dulu went viral. Thank you.
Thank you for the time. In here, I will continue to explain about positive and negative impact of trend hashtag Kabur Aja Dulu. As we know that every action, event, and social phenomenon has an impact, both positive and negative impact. First one, I will to explain about the positive impact of the hashtag Kabur Aja Dulu trend. First one is improving individual quality. Working or studying abroad can give us new experiences and knowledge by being exposed to different cultures, technologies, and maybe working method which can enhance individual competence. And then second is increasing foreign exchange. Indonesian workers abroad who send their income back home can increase the country's foreign exchange. And this incoming foreign exchange can be used to finance development, improve people's welfare, and then strengthen national economic stability. However, behind this positive impact, there are also negative impacts that we need to be aware of. The negative impact of this trend is first one, brain drain. Brain drain is a social phenomenon that skillful and highly educated worker move to another country. This phenomenon has happened because some factors such as gap of wages, lack of opportunity, and a social politic in a country. And this brain drain can hinder the development of important sectors such as health, education, and technology, as we lose potential qualified human resources. The second one is negative image of the country. This trend can provide a negative image of Indonesia in the eyes of the international community, as if this country can provide sufficient welfare for its citizens. And this can also cause investors to be hesitant to invest in Indonesia. Next, I will to explain about the solutions of this trend. The first one is creating desired jobs. The government must be creating decent jobs in order to reduce the desire to migrate. The government is committed to provide a quality jobs with competitive wages. We are creating decent jobs with appropriate living standards, protection, and access to capital for young people. The sum of program for government is first one is UMKM development program, such as People Business Credit or KUR, and UMKM training and mentoring. Second one is workforce skills improvement program, such as Prakerja Card program and vocational education training. The next one is worker protection program, such as minimum wage determination and worker social security. Next is the government must be improving the quality of education by reducing the cost of education and improving its quality and providing more scholarship for outstanding students. Some program for government, first one is Merdeka Belajar program or Freedom to Learn program. Second one is Indonesia Smart program or PIP. Third, Professional Teacher Education program or PPG to improve the quality of teacher and educational personnel. And last is improving the quality of education facilities and infrastructure. The third solution of this trend is the government must be improving social welfare by improving social welfare programs to improve the quality of life of the community and also adjusting the minimum wage to be commensurate with the needs of life. Some programs for government are Family Hope Program or PKH, National Health Insurance or JKN, Direct Cash Assistance or PLT, and last Social Rehabilitation Program. And last solution of this trend is anti-corruption policy. By strengthen anti-corruption institution and ensure transparency in state budget management. Some programs of government first one is strengthening the Corruption Eradication Commission or KPK. Next, implementation of government system, ratification of the corruption law, and anti-corruption educational program. That is our explanation about hashtag Kaburaja Dulu trend. And if any wrong information, we apologize. And thank you for watching.